Hey viewers, this company called Stun and Run sent me this DPS pepper spray to review. It's supposed to be the longest range pepper spray in the world, so that's neat. And first thing I'll talk about is the flip top safety, the trigger, and the belt clip. A lot of pepper spray companies use this exact same design. I guess they get this part of the assembly from one supplier and then they put their canister inside of it. This all works great. This all works exactly as it should. If you see a pepper spray in this form factor and you want to keep a pepper spray in a big pocket or on a belt, this is mainly designed to be on a belt, then you can trust this setup. And you can trust this pepper spray. What I'll do now is roll in the footage of me testing this. I'm about 15 feet away. I'll give this a spray to see if the range is 15 to 17 feet like it says on the package. Oh, it got there. Got there effortlessly. I like that orange color. I can taste the pepper spray. I'm going to wait a little bit before I step forward to get a close-up. I don't want to get any secondhand exposure to pepper spray. I've had that happen before, and it stinks a lot. I'm going to move in for the close-up. It's been about 30 seconds since I sprayed. Hopefully I don't get any exposure to this. I like that orange color. That's a nice orange color. That would be easy to see on anybody. I'll step back about 20 feet just to see if it can do it. This is a very long range spray. I like it a lot. This is really outside of the range that this spray is good for, but I'm going to see if it'll get there anyway. It got there. I'll step back a little more. This is a long distance. I ran into the house water management drain thing. I am well outside the range of what this spray can do. Well, it kind of got there. I will say that the range is confirmed on this spray, and it can actually exceed the stated range. So this is a good spray. I like it a lot. Like you saw, this pepper spray shoots a very long way. My pepper spray exceeded the 17 feet that the package says it can go. I suspect what they did is they didn't want to oversell their product. So what they did was they said 15 to 17 feet because that's what all of them can do. And I just happen to get one that can go above 17 feet. Is it the longest range OC defensive spray? Probably. I didn't do a detailed analysis of competing 2-ounce pepper spray cans, and that's what this is. This is a 2-ounce can, and it should only be compared with other 2-ounce cans because the larger the can, the longer range it can have. But I don't remember, and I've tested over 40 pepper sprays, and none of them around this size could shoot as far as this one. So I suspect this almost certainly is the longest range pepper spray of this size, and I like it a lot. It shoots a great orange color. Some pepper sprays don't have color, and that's a mistake. All pepper sprays should have a color, and orange is one of the best ones to have because orange is very easy to see. It clashes with every other color, and that's why hunters wear orange vests and orange hats, because it makes them more visible. And this orange spray makes the spray more visible, and that's great because with pepper sprays you aim with the stream and you want to see the stream hit the target right in the eyes and in the nose. So I like this can a lot. I highly recommend it. One of these days I'll get around to upgrading to a bigger can. I use a pocket pepper spray because I value its convenience over the firepower of a larger can, but the adult thing to do would be for me to put this on my belt so I would have a more capable non-lethal self-defense tool. And one of these days when I feel like doing it, this will likely be one of the cans I consider using. And it's great. I like this can a lot. I highly recommend it if you want to keep a pepper spray on a belt. This is one of the best ones on the market. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos about pistols and pepper sprays and all kinds of good stuff like that. Those likes and subscribes help keep me motivated. Thanks for watching.